Welcome to Tamaki and Tea. Seeing as this month Zest is focused on the Japanese food, lifestyle, and diet, it is only appropriate that I show you students where you can get authentic Japanese food on campus. Open to students and public alike, Tamaki and Tea is dedicated to creating a relaxing and peaceful atmosphere devoted to serving the finest quality food and beverages, with a continued commitment to using ingredients that respect human rights and the environment while providing quality service. Hi, my name is Sasha J., not Rachel Ray, and I'm a student here at Northern Michigan University dedicated to providing my fellow students with a few different aspects of nutritional opportunities on campus. Today, we are going to be up at Tamaki and Tea to talk about the nutritional availability of the Japanese diet on campus. Robin Rayhoy, Northern Michigan University's registered dietitian, came up with this great idea for a restaurant a couple of years ago when students were asking for sushi. Seeing as the Japanese diet is known for all of its great health benefits, it was perfect for a fight against the McDonald's craze with healthy, hearty, and fast Japanese food. Alright, let's take today to focus on the most popular Japanese food, sushi. Sushi is among the healthiest foods out there and is growing in popularity all over our great United States. So let's look at the health properties and the building blocks of a sushi roll: the seaweed, rice, fish, ginger, and wasabi. Hopefully by the end of this video presentation, you will have some new great reasons to give sushi a try. Seaweed is like a superfood. Most sushi rolls are wrapped in nori, which is a flat sheet of toasted seaweed. Science and nutritionists alike are only beginning to discover the full health benefits of seaweeds, and already they have discovered a wealth of benefits. Seaweed is one of the richest sources of healthy minerals on Earth, including calcium, magnesium, and iron, and phosphorus, minerals that the modern diet is sorely lacking. Seaweed also protects the body against cancer and heart disease. Its calcium concentrations are higher than any other dairy product, so it aids in the strengthening of bones and teeth. There's been a lot of controversy about the dangers of too many carbs in the diet. All carbs are made of sugars. Some carbs, such as white rice, are known as high GI foods, meaning that they break down quickly in the GI tract, causing a sharp spike in the sugar content of the bloodstream, which is not healthy. Sushi rice, however, is a sticky white rice that does not digest as quickly as other rice. Sushi rice is a low GI food, meaning it digests slowly and releases its sugars into the bloodstream at a more measured rate. This makes sushi rice much better for your health than any other white rice. The last part of sushi is the fish. Most people shy away from sushi because they think all of it has raw fish in it. However, that is not always the case. Sometimes the fish is smoked, and sometimes sushi doesn't even have fish in it. This type of sushi is called vegetable maki because it's filled with vegetables instead of fish. Anyways, fish is very good for you. Some fish can have more fat in it than others, but that fat comes in the form of omega-3 fatty acids, which, unlike animal fats, has several important health benefits. Omega-3 is essential for a healthy brain and nervous system. These fatty acids coat the sheaths that house our nerves. Eating fish sharpens the memory and increases mental capacity, as well as protects against the development of Alzheimer's and other degenerative diseases. Omega-3s aren't just brain foods. They also help our heart and circulatory system. They are linked with an increase in HDL, the good cholesterol, which in turn lowers the risk for heart disease. In addition, omega-3s have been suggested to improve the body's efficiency in sugar processing, which is great for diabetics, and also has been shown to lessen the pain of arthritis, and it helps make people less prone for depression and gives the immune system a nice boost. Alongside sushi, wasabi and ginger are typically served. In a recent Japanese study, the strong flavored green horseradish paste that is traditionally accompanies a sushi meal can prevent tooth decay by inhibiting the growth of bacteria that eats away at our tooth enamel. Other studies over the year have also suggested that wasabi has anti-carcinogenic, blood-thinning, and anti-asthmatic properties. If you usually avoid eating wasabi because of the overwhelming flavor, try just a little dab and spread a thin layer over your sushi. It provides a nice kick without being overwhelming, and with those great health benefits, it just might be worth getting used to. In ancient times, the Japanese believed that ginger provided protection against plague, but today, scientists in Japan are discovering that ginger acts much like aspirin, thinning the blood and providing relief from headaches, and protection against blood clots. It's no wonder why the Japanese are so healthy. The Japanese suffer lower instances of cancer and heart disease than the US and Britain, and with all of the great health benefits, it's easy to see why the Japanese are so interested in a meal that tastes just as delicious as a Big Mac, but without the danger to their health. There really is no better food than sushi. So why not take a short walk up to Tamaki and Tea and try something new? I'm Sasha J., not Rachel Ray, signing off from Northern Michigan University at Tamaki and Tea.